Deep in the mountains, under the canopy of these emerald forests, a culinary treasure is beginning its journey.
The bamboo shoot. Harvesting begins early, when the dew is still fresh and the shoots are most tender.
For centuries, this plant has sustained communities, providing food, shelter, and livelihood.
Modern harvesting methods have increased efficiency, using specialized grapples to extract the shoots without damage.
Once harvested, the shoots are immediately transported to the processing facility to halt oxidation.
First, the fibrous root bases are precision trimmed to ensure uniformity before the cleaning process begins.
The raw shoots are collected in bulk hoppers, ready to be sorted by size and quality.
Automated rollers gently orient the shoots, ensuring they are perfectly aligned for the next stage of inspection.
Once sorted, they are automatically loaded into sterilization crates, minimizing human contact and potential contamination. Heavy-duty robotics take over for the sterilization phase, plunging the crates into high-temperature steam baths. Specialized peeling machines strip away the tough outer sheaths, revealing the tender, edible core within.
What emerges is the raw ingredient in its purest form, ready for rigorous quality control.
Despite the automation, the human eye remains essential. Skilled inspectors check every shoot for imperfections.
A high-pressure wash cycle removes any remaining soil or debris, ensuring absolute cleanliness.
Advanced sensors guide automated cutters to portion the bamboo into precise, uniform shapes for packaging.
Blanching is a critical step. The shoots are submerged in boiling water to deactivate enzymes and preserve texture.
This thermal shock locks in the natural flavor and vibrant color, preparing the bamboo for long-term preservation. Immediately after boiling, they are quenched in cold water to stop the cooking process instantly. Automated grading systems sort each piece by weight with gram-perfect accuracy.
Before packaging, every single shoot passes through advanced metal detectors to guarantee consumer safety.
Weighed portions are carefully placed into high-grade barrier pouches, designed to withstand high temperatures.
Oxygen is extracted to create a vacuum seal, arresting aerobic bacterial growth and extending shelf life significantly.
The sealed packages are stacked onto sterilization trays, ready for the final and most crucial safety step.
Inside the retort, the product is subjected to high heat and pressure, sterilizing the contents completely within the pouch.
Emerging from the heat, the packages are rapidly cooled and dried, ensuring the labels will adhere perfectly. High-speed applicators adhere the branding and nutritional information, completing the product identity.
A final X-ray scan looks through the packaging itself, guaranteeing that only the bamboo remains inside.
Robotic arms take over the heavy lifting, building perfect pallets ready for global distribution.
Here in the distribution center, tons of bamboo shoots await their journey to markets around the world. From the quiet forest floor to the back of these trucks, the process is complete. The bamboo is on its way.
While fresh bamboo is prized for its crispness, the dried variety offers a deeper, more concentrated umami flavor profile. To ensure even drying, shoots destined for dehydration are sliced into thinner, uniform strips.
Workers carefully spread the slices on mesh trays, maximizing airflow for the dehydration process.
The racks enter massive convection ovens, where temperature and humidity are strictly controlled.
Over 24 hours, moisture is slowly extracted, concentrating the flavor and turning the bamboo a rich golden hue.
Emerging from the heat, the shoots have transformed. They are now lightweight, preserved, and intensely fragrant.
Quality control is rigorous. The moisture content must be low enough to ensure the product snaps cleanly, guaranteeing longevity.
Automated vertical baggers weigh and package the dried shoots,
creating an airtight environment that locks in the aroma. Whether in bulk for restaurants or retail packs for home cooks, the dried bamboo is ready for a shelf life measured in years.
But for some shoots, the journey takes a different path. Here, time and biology work.
Submerged in brine, lactobacillus bacteria begin their work, breaking down sugars and creating complex sour notes.
Technicians monitor acidity levels daily. The fermentation must reach the perfect pH balance to ensure safety and flavor.
For global export, canning remains the gold standard. Empty vessels are washed and sterilized before filling. Rotary fillers dispense the exact ratio of bamboo to brine, ensuring consistent drained weight in every can.
The double seaming process creates a hermetic seal, protecting the contents from light, air, and contamination for years.
Cans are automatically stacked into baskets, maximizing the capacity of each sterilization cycle. After sterilization, controlled cooling prevents the bamboo from overcooking, maintaining its desired crunch.
High-speed rotary labelers apply the finishing touch, preparing the product for supermarket shelves. Finally, the cans are case-packed and palletized, concluding the manufacturing process.
But machines can't taste. Sensory panels conduct daily tests to ensure the flavor profile meets the highest culinary standards.
From the mountains to the sea, these shipping containers carry the harvest across oceans to international markets.
Thousands of miles away, the bamboo arrives fresh and preserved, ready for the consumer's basket.
For the discerning cook, the clarity of the brine and the integrity of the shoot are the marks of quality.
In the kitchen, bamboo shoots are incredibly versatile, a staple in both traditional and modern cuisine.
Sliced for a stir-fry, they retain that signature crunch that no other vegetable can quite replicate.
It absorbs flavors effortlessly. Whether braised, stir-fried, or simmered, the bamboo shoot is a culinary chameleon.
The result is a texture that remains crisp and a flavor that is both subtle and distinctively earthy.
From the factory floor to the family table, this humble shoot connects nature to nourishment.
But the story doesn't end on the plate. Processing tons of bamboo creates tons of organic byproducts.
Nothing goes to waste. The tough outer shells are ground down, destined for a new life as biomass fuel or organic fertilizer. Compressed into high-density fuel pellets, the waste returns to power the very boilers that sterilize the crop.
A perfect closed loop. The bamboo provides the energy for its own processing, drastically reducing the factory's carbon footprint.
What remains is composted and returned to the mountains, nourishing the soil for the next generation of shoots.
Underground, the rhizome network is the true heart of the forest, an interconnected web that stores energy during the winter.
Bamboo is thirsty. It relies on the seasonal rains to trigger the explosive growth of the spring harvest.
Bamboo is the fastest growing plant on Earth. Some species can grow up to a meter in a single day.
Farmers practice selective harvesting, taking only the mature shoots and leaving the mothers to regenerate the grove. Beyond food, these forests are a critical carbon sink, releasing 35% more oxygen than equivalent stands of trees.
The bamboo industry has revitalized rural economies, providing stable income for thousands of families.
And research continues. From textiles to construction materials, the potential of this grass is only just beginning to be tapped. Activated bamboo charcoal, a byproduct of older stalks, is now a prized ingredient for filtration and skincare.
And the fibers, once tough and rigid, are spun into textiles softer than cotton and more breathable than silk.
But back in the forest, the cycle turns. Winter brings a hush to the grove, a time of dormancy and strength.
Yet even in the cold, the energy is building below the surface, waiting for the first warmth of spring.
For the families who tend these groves, bamboo is more than a crop. It is a partner, a provider, and a legacy.
And so, with the return of spring, the cycle begins anew.
From a single shoot in a mountain grove to a delicacy enjoyed worldwide.
Experience the true taste of nature. Sustainably grown, expertly processed, perfectly preserved. This is the journey of the bamboo shoot. Nature's gift, delivered to you.